I'm very excited today. The birds are singing. Outside is nice. I have a water because I'm very excited because it's an iPhone day today. So let's unbox the new iPhone 14 Pro, which I have here. But let me drink a little bit water because I'm gonna vomit because I'm very excited. So the new iPhone 14 is here. Let me show you. I just came from Apple and I just bought the new iPhone 14. This is gonna be very interesting video. So let's unbox the new iPhone 14 because I was expecting this iPhone for a long time. Seriously, I'm gonna vomit because I'm very excited. This is the new iPhone 14 that many people are excited because it's a new iPhone. So this is the new iPhone 14. Let's unbox it. Let's see what it's all about. Also, we have a new upgrade now. So we have the 48 megapixel camera, which is gonna be very good. Also, we have a smaller notch, and also we have a dynamic island. So what the dynamic island is, just to see the Apple logo, the dynamic island basically is a smart notch that you can choose different types. So for example, if you listen music, if you touch on the notch, will give you the access to the music, or if you have a phone call. So we're gonna check it. So let's see now. Let's unbox it because this is a big thing, guys. It's iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, so this is the new iPhone 14, as you can see. Let me just put the camera down just to see properly because I want you to see the phone. So let me put the camera down. This is the new iPhone, which is very nice. Also, let me put the brightness. No, the brightness is this. Okay, anyway, let's unbox it now because this is a big thing. So the new iPhone 14. Let's unbox it. So as you can see, it says 48 megapixel. Focus, please. So 48 megapixel. And I'm gonna leave the phone on the side, but let me see what we have here. We have the cable. Also, we have the stickers. Apple stickers, obviously with the Apple logo. Pretty nice. Let me boot it up the phone for the first time. So as you can see, this is the new iPhone 14. Also, we have 48 megapixel camera. And also we have the new notch, which is amazing. So as you can see, the notch is called Dynamic Island. So we have a lot of information here, which is very nice. So let me show you. So as you can see, this is the new iPhone 14, guys. This is gonna be very big hit, in my opinion. We have the 48 megapixel camera. Also, we have the dynamic island, which is going to be my new favorite thing to use in 2022. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to do a comparison video. Or I'm very excited because this is an amazing phone. So I'm very excited. Let me show myself because I have a new iPhone 14. So people probably wants to see me. Come on, not many people can buy iPhone 14. That's better. So this is the new iPhone 14, guys. I mean, I'm very excited to show you this iPhone 14 because it's pretty much new. It's much better than the iPhone 13 Pro with amazing notch. Also, we have a 48 megapixel camera. I'm so excited. I'm gonna drink some water because I'm gonna vomit. But yes, this is gonna cost you $11.99 or $10.99. I'm gonna put the pricing down below in the descriptions down below. So Yeah, a new iPhone 14, amazing, with amazing display, with a dynamic island, and we have the 48 megapixel camera, guys. Come on, this is iPhone. So there you have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below, because this is gonna be a big hit. I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna start to do photos and videos, and I'm gonna show my new iPhone 14, and I hope people see, because this is a new iPhone 14. It's a little bit different. I think it's a much different from the iPhone 13 Pro. So there we have it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next video. I told you I'm gonna vomit.